Using AI to predict real estate trends. Wondering how AI is changing the real estate game? Today, we're diving into how using AI to predict real estate trends is giving investors, agents, and buyers a serious edge. From price forecasting to market analysis, AI is reshaping how we understand real estate. Stick around to discover the best AI tools for real estate market predictions and how to stay ahead of the curve. What does AI bring to real estate trend forecasting? Let's face it, traditional real estate market predictions relied heavily on historical data and human guesswork. But now, AI real estate market predictions combine massive amounts of data with machine learning to uncover patterns we might never spot on our own. So, what exactly does that mean? It means smarter, faster, more accurate insights, whether you're a buyer, seller, investor, or real estate agent. Predicting real estate trends with AI isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. How AI predicts real estate prices and market trends. Did you know one of the most powerful uses of AI is price prediction? How AI predicts real estate prices is simple but brilliant. It analyzes data points like historical price trends, local market activity, economic indicators, buyer demand and supply metrics, even social sentiment from platforms like Google or Twitter. The result? AI-driven real estate market analysis that can predict where prices are heading, often with surprising accuracy. Top 4 AI real estate forecasting tools you should know. If you want to get ahead, you need the right tools. Here are some of the best AI tools for real estate market predictions right now. Zillow's Zestimate AI for price predictions. House Canary for property valuations and market forecasting. PropStream for real-time data and predictive analytics. Mashvisor for rental income and investment analysis. These tools help with real estate trend forecasting with AI, so you can make data-driven decisions, not guesses. Predictive analytics and staying ahead in 2025. Looking ahead to 2026. Predictive Analytics Real Estate 2025 is expected to be even more advanced. AI will factor in. Check regional development projects, mortgage rate fluctuations, migration patterns, climate risk data. Using AI to predict housing market trends will be essential for anyone wanting to stay competitive. Imagine knowing where the next hot market will be before the crowd does. That's how you use AI to stay ahead of real estate trends. So, whether you're an agent, investor, or just curious about where the market is headed, embracing AI isn't optional anymore. It's the key to smarter decisions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Have you tried any AI tools for real estate market predictions? I'd love to hear your experiences.